Enter screen. Enter screen is shared. So okay, you are able to see the screen now. If you're not able to see, then you back to me. Okay. Okay. The first step to creating database, let us say, I will write it in libcat. Database name is libcat. Library catalog libcat. Okay. Then I am putting it to OK. Then first this is here 10. Here is accession number. Number, and it is here alphanumeric, or is it numeric only, because accession number only numeric, then I have to select numeric, add it. Now I have to, instead of 11, I will put it 20. After accession number, I have put it author. Author, it is a alphanumeric. This is alphanumeric, and there is no subfield, add it. I think somebody want to join. Okay. Oh, difficult. Actually, one by one will come, but honestly, my disturbing. Then here 20 is over, then it is 30. Then after author, it should be title of the book. Title, and it is a title is alphanumeric, then add it. Then after 30, you can make it 40. 40. Let's say after title, it should be your imprint. 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 It is a imprint. Imprint is alphanumeric. Here is 3 field. You have to make it that place, publisher, year, ABC, XYZ, whatever. I'm putting ABC, 3 subfield, add it. Okay. Then 50. Like that you can add. Whatever this data element is there for book, you can add like this. Then I am putting here keyword. Keywords. Then it is alphanumeric, and I have to submit. Okay, address and a keyword, it is alphanumeric. Then here is coming what technique you have to put it data. Let us say I will put it here. This is a repeatable field, and I have many keyword will come. So we can add it like this. Then add it. Suppose you want to modify only 5 keyword, 5 data element I given or bibliography element I given for a book, so that the database can be developed. Like that, you can add many. Whatever is there, everything you can 10, 20, 30, 40. But this thing you should remember. So that calling information. Suppose I want to modify here, because the book, remember, book, how many author we don't know. After receiving the book, maybe a single author, maybe double author, maybe triple author. So it is a repeatable field. So you have to define R. So add. Then if you see all these things, if you see, we are taking accessor number, then the author, then title, then imprint, then keywords. Now everything is okay. Then put it next. Next means all thing, this are data inputs it. When it's a, suppose a register, you're putting line and putting, you make it okay, all you transfer here. Just to put this one. All has come. Okay. Then go to next. It's an assistant. No, I don't want to add assistant. No, I have to type. Here, I think that format, I have to call the data. How will call it? Suppose V10 slash V20 slash V30 slash V40 slash V50. You have taken it. So V10 in accessor number. Suppose I can put it here, accessor number, double quote, accessor number, accessor number, accessor number. Then I have to give the space. Then space, double quote n, then comma, accessor number. V20 your author. So double quote, author, space, colon, space, double quote, comma. Okay, then author. Author is a repeatable field. Well, multiple author will come because we put in repeatable field. So it is a plus sign, piping, semicolon, space, semicolon. That is called whatever is repeatable command or repeatable character. Whenever means each author will separate by semicolon and space. V30, I remember it is a we made it that is a title. So I have to put it V30. V30 here double quote. I put title space colon space double quote, then this one V30. Then I have to put V40 your reprints. So here imprints. So double quote imprint colon comma, let's imprint V40. Remember that V40 having a 3 subfield, that is kya pay per place, comma. Then I want a comma should be print, space, comma will print. Then V40 V40 cap B, comma, double quote, comma, space, double quote, comma, then V40 cap C. Okay, just call the data. 3 things has come. Now V50 your keyword. So double quote keywords space colon space double quote. Okay. V40. Okay, we'll see. V40 it has come, comma, it's all right. Then put it just this one. It's now it's saved. Next, it's over. So after over, I think I remember I was telling you have to put the 2 hash sign. It's the end of record. 2 hash sign. Then go to next. Here is asking assistant. No, I don't need any assistant. No. So I have to call access number. I want to index it. You see, that's an access number. Access number has come here. What is the technique? That enter field. The enter line is 0. What is the format? That is a V10. Means your accessor number will index. New access number V10. Yes, here is V10 odd has come. So again I have to put it new. Is next is author. It is you see somewhere is there. So that is a enter field. Entire line is there, but there is a multiple author is there. So you have to take V20. Okay. Piping percentage piping. That means each author will be indexed. R then another new. Suppose I want to index the title. Author is over 30. The title means each word. Each word by word 4. Okay. Okay. Then that is V30 slash add. Again new. Then 40. What is 40? 40 imprint. I want only publisher should be indexed. So I have to call the publisher that imprints. You have to select the subfield line, only one. So I have to call that V40 cap B. Cap B means publisher. So only publisher will be indexed. Place is not going to index or the year. If you want also, year also can be indexed. Then you have to add. Then new is last one is your keyword is there. So keyword you have to index it. Technique is entire keyword, and here you have to call is V50 cap V50, then piping percentage piping. That means multiple keyword will be indexed. It is just like a added entry. You catalog you're doing is added entry. Now the 4 steps has completed. Then I have to terminate here. This is a terminate. So Unisys is now the created database. So do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue it. Database has been created. So database. So what I have to do? I have to input data now. I have to input the data. So what is the database name? This is a libcat. I given libcat. Then I put it to OK. OK. So it is accessible blank data. Here is the data input is edit. Data entry is there. Data entry. Okay. And this is access number. So let us say first one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Accession number. Okay. If you enter it, then it will come here. Here the author is a multiple field. So what you have to do, first author, let us say, Ranganathan is R. S.R. Ranganathan. Suppose I want to write a second author, I put it enter. Okay, I can put it this way. I can just, if you click it, automatically enter will come. But it's a multiple author is there. So what I will do is, I will put a percentage here, just a percentage, which is separating the two author, Rather and Nilomekan. Comma A Nilomekan. Now, if you enter it, the data is you see multiple first author, second author is enter. Now, coming to title here, you can put it colon classification. Okay, this has come like this. Now, colon classification come. Next is imprint. Imprint, I am telling it is a 3 parts. A, B, C. How will you enter it? Cap A. Bangalore. Cap B, Sarada Ranganathan Foundation. Cap C, that is Cap C, 1980. If I put it like this way, rep office. If you enter it, okay. Now keyword is coming. So what is the keyword I have to put it? That is facet, facet, facet classification, percentage, mix, notation, percentage, not, and bolt classification. Okay, if you enter it, okay, this is only subject industry. This is a one entry is over. Okay, this is a one entry. So one entry, how do if you want to save means this is save. Suppose you want to new entry, this is the new entry. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 5. Author is Sitaraman. S. Sitaraman. It's a single author. Okay, it has come. Title. Library management. Imprint. Cafe. Cafe. Kolkata. Cap B. Yaslik. Cap C. It is and D. Okay. Now keyword. That is some keyword. This is over. Save it. Then next. 6. Devadasan. F. J. Title. Information system. Imprint. Cap A. Chennai. Cap B. Madras Library. Cap C.
screen ଆଉ ବଡ ହେଇପାରିବନି?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ବଡ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ବଡ କରିଛି ସେଠୁ ତଳେ କିଛି ରହିଯାଉଛି. This is the maximum. This is the maximum. I know you will get a problem while seeing in mobile. That I know it is. There is a maximum it is possible. I was trying. I am actually not able to do it. It was a very small. This white portion, what you are seeing here, earlier it has come like this. So I put it in this format. At least you are able to see it. Just I think, just listen. That's why I'm reading it, so that I'm listening and same thing only it is displaying. So you will not have any problem. Okay, percentage. Then I put it in stock. Then I put it percentage DRTC. Let it pending. Sometimes we'll meet. Then only we'll discuss. Okay. This is there. Now it has come all. This over. Another entry I will make it. Then we will stop. Then we'll go ahead. Save it. Then again this one. And see so 1, 2, 3. 4 is over. 5 is a 6. This is 7. 7. This is accession number. And this author is Ravi Chandra Rao. Ravi Chandra Rao. RK. Quantitative. Qualitative. Quantitative and qualitative analysis. Services. So cap A, Bangalore, cap B, that is Sarada Foundation, cap C, 1985. Keywords. Analysis, percentage, Gibbs law. Okay, this is over. This is over. For I save it. Once it's over, so many. Remember in the designing, last part you keep so many keyword. So that is inverted file creation. If you go to your database here, now is for record I did it. If you want, you can modify also. You can read also. It's not a problem. But it has to update it fast. How to update it? Here, no. I'm taking cancel. Database. IF update. You have to select. Okay. Then put it update or it's a full page. You put it okay. We'll see what is happening. The file is updated, completed. Then you come out. Now you have to browse. You see, this is once over database. So it is now ready for browsing. You see, I'll make it large so that, okay. This is access number has come. then author has come, title has come, imprint has come. Suppose if you go to first record is 1, 2, 3, 4 you made it. Author is Ranganathan SR, the C semicolon space, Nilobaikon A has come, title has colon classification, imprint has come, Bangalore, Sarada Ranganathan Foundation 1980, keyword also it has come. All has come now. Then if you go to second record, let's see 1, 2, 3, 5, based on whatever you made it, output it has come like this. Double quote I put this thing based on the display, what you made it, it has come like this. Okay, if you want to put in some few lines like together, here I have to add some, let us say, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 2. We'll see edit, print format, 4 space I have to add here, 4 print format 4, title 5 I have to add here, title, what is title? Title is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then imprint 3, what is imprint? Imprint 3, 1, 2, 3, and keywords it is 2. Save it, okay, okay. Now this libcat, change it, again you bring the libcat. So you see almost one line has come, only accession number has gone to. Then everywhere you have to two space you add it, then it will be in one line. So again I have to go to edit, print format. So everywhere I have to add 2, 1, 2, title 1, 2, imprint 1, 2, and last is keyword 1, 2. 1, 2. Now save it. Okay. Okay. Now check it again. It has come everything in one line. Okay. Look at. No, another line if you add it space, all will come in one line. That is important. So let us add one each. Edit, print format. So you have to add author 1 space, title 1 space, imprint 1 space, and wait, keywords 1 space. You have to save it to make it okay. Okay. Now you see now, you see all. Now if you see look at, you see all are coming one line. Okay. I think somebody asked to join. I'll let him join first. You are so late people are coming. Okay. Now you're able to see the record. This is the output. This is applicable to all years. Suppose this is the first record you are what you are seeing. This is the last record also there. Is it okay now display? What is possible? Suppose one book has come. So it has written Ravi Chandra Rao. Title is there. Imprint is there. Keyword is there. Depending on the how many field you have created and you have given the data, it will show you. So another, let us say, have a search. Search means this can be possible. Search is possible. I'm searching this. You see, searching first the dictionary search. What are the things is there or not? You will check it first dictionary. Let us say dictionary. You see, access number is searchable. If you put access number, that is searchable. Title, each word is gonna, but you think solve has data, colon, classifications, and the library. I think almost all taken the all what information which is that is created. I think the keyword has not taken all. In stock keeping library taken. Yes, I think it is taken. Okay, but what is the faceted? Keyword is not taken, it looks. Keyword is not taken. The keyword is not taken. Library, administration, library, institute. It's our title only taken. Whatever keyword is there is not taken. Then what you have to do it here? Then you like go to that database. Then IF, IF is this one. database. IF update does not come. Why? IF update because of such database. IF update come that a full inverted file. Okay. 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 Completed. Now you see whether it has come or not. This is a search file, dictionary, library administration is there, keyword. No, I think, okay, what I think, here is a GIFS law. It's not separated. Here I think it is not separated, the term not taken. You see, the statistics analysis, GIFS law are together. So it should be first separated. So how will you separate it? So I have to go to that edit. Then I have to, search mode is not coming. So this is edit, then the print format, that V40M keyword here is, since it is a repeatable field, I have to plus sign I have to make, then piping, comma, space, piping will end. So now this has to save. Save, okay, okay. So, okay. Then you have to bring here. So all, you bring to again that cat. Just see. You see, statistical analysis, comma, GIFS law. Okay. But these are the, if you see the dictionary, I'll make it small now. If you search, the GIFS law is not index. See, dictionary, what is GIFS law? Z is there, GIFS law. It is an index. It is index. It is index now. Okay. Suppose I want to search the accession number. So what I have to put? There is an accession number called, you come back here. Last accession number is yours 1, 2, 3, 7, 7, execute, display, let's come. What is the access number? Is 1237. Author is Ravichandra Rao RK. It's a quantitative and qualitative analysis of library and information service. Imprint is Bangalore, Sarada Foundation, 1985. You can see the, I'll make it large. Service, Bangalore, Sarada Foundation, 1985. Statistical analysis, GIFS law. Okay. So it has come. So if I put it again, any word, suppose quantitative analysis, then not this one, I'll put it, I'll come back here, just close it. Do you want to close the database? No. Okay, leave it. Suppose I will, one is that Ranganathan, I'll search author. Ranganathan, author is there, put it, always put a dollar. Ranganathan is everything, then execute and display. Ranganathan has come. Means all keyword is searchable, accession number is searchable, and publisher is searchable. So let us say publisher. One publisher searchable means that ESLink is there. ESLink, execute, display, ESLink has come. So everything is searchable. Whatever if you made it, it's searchable. If you take there is a keyword is there. Here, if go to any keyword, let us say it's a library management is there. There is another which there is quantitative analysis. Quantitative. I am not typing just the dollar here. Quanti dollar, execute, display. J quantitative analysis has come. So it's a powerful searching. So actually this software is for retrieval is a beautiful retrieval. Everything is searchable. That's a minimum Suppose somebody has no idea and some your office will come, can you develop some catalog by using computer? If you have this software, you can minimum access and register and the catalog, you can develop it. Slowly you can do. If a small library, this is sufficient to learn it and start computerization. Bigger library means definitely you have to go for Koha. Otherwise, this way you can provide this service. Okay, this is about how we are designing a database and getting the service, searching and other thing we made it. So now you have to ask question about the designing aspect. So remember that don't ask so many questions. I'm now we say I'm not a what you call godfather to reply everything. It is subject related. Suppose this is now I'm talking the database designing. So you talk about the database designing. Any doubt, anything is there, just ask me. I try to clear your doubt. Okay? Now I'm coming to your sharing mode. Okay. All are able to see me? You hear me?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
one by one ask me. I think you
Yes, sir.
followed what I will demonstrate given designing. It is okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
But you see, this way you can design a database.
Very
Okay?
interesting, sir.
ବହୁତ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ବାସ୍ ତମ ପାଖରେ ତ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ନାହିଁ ଯଦି ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ନିଜେ କରିକି ଦେଖିଥାନ୍ତ ସବୁବେଳେ the best thing is that searching that readable part is so beautiful only if you know the strategy to make the design other thing so nicely you can retrieve you can search the database so that is actually core maximum time you see for your practical 100 hours is there 100 hours means you know how many weeks you can remember. So anyhow, we missed this time, and but it is you see our subject is interested because of this practical. If practical is there, I think a lot of doubt, and who are working, they are having maximum doubt because nowadays pressure has come from institution. Okay, you can make this database that, but first you don't know the database, you don't know what software I can use it. But this is in that way, IGNOU is a very good platform. You can learn many things. But situation is not prevailed. So tell me one by one question regarding the design of database. Are you satisfied or anything else you want? You just should ask one by one, one by one. If somebody is telling me, so other people.
Sir, this is the software like LibreOffice.
This is a software of. Hello.
Software of library office, sir. Bola.
No. Actually, it's not. It's actually it's a publication that it's actually publication of UNESCO. UNESCO has supported this software and developed it. And it is a long back now. Service is not there. Only it is compatible to old Windows. Now we are using Windows 10. It is not compatible. Actually, I am bringing a virtual mode. Virtual machine I made it. There I install and showing the service. It's a very, very difficult for me, this part to doing all these things. Very good. And this, if you want, that is available, but your system may not support. In present situation, your system may not support because you are using the Windows 10, not possible. If you are using Windows 7, that's possible. That is Windows 8, up to it supports Windows 8. Or otherwise, you have to make a virtual machine and do it. And it is not comfortable for we people. Next.
Sir, direct access method one, sir.
Eh?
Direct access method.
You see, what do you mean by is direct or indirect? Direct access. What you are accessing also? If you know access means you are getting the information, or direct link is there and you going and accessing. Direct access. Indirect means so many things is there.
सर जो सोर्स रे हम डायरेक्ट माने पाई दोचे सेटा को हम डायरेक्ट कहबा
See, actually, it's not a question. That has to say why it is a meaningful other sense. What is called indirect? Because suppose once it's not which that information is not transparent. Suppose if you click it, okay, you will be a member, then only access. Or you register, then only you can access. Or you pay, you will access. That is indirect. Okay, which is not transparent. That way it is meaningful. Any other question?
सर जमती लिप कैट हमें यूज करछे तो सेमती सर लिपसिस भी हमें यूज कर परिया
Sure, এটা লিপক্যাটটা মোর ডিজাইন ডাটাবেস নাম is not a database is not a that database name is lipcat. The database I created, I should give you some name. That's why I put it like lipcat, your database name. I can put your name also. I can put the library name also.
Okay,
But just a name sake, I given it just a name. It's not a software. Software is Unisys.
yes sir.
Next question.
Sir, please explain binary search means.
See, binary interesting. That's a search strategy. When you call binary means it will divide and search. Suppose let us say you are the one as you are searching a word called the that is school. How system will you search?
Yes, sir.
System will search whether S is available with A to J or K, whatever key M, and N to Z. A to M is one part, then N to Z is the other part. That since S is not available A to M, then it is discarding the A to M, then it will search for M to Z. Again, it is divided, it will search. Then it will searching will be easier. That's why it's called binary search.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, local host ଗୋଟେ software ଅଛି ନା sir?
ନାଇଁ ଲୋକାଲ ସଫ୍ଟୱେର ନୁହେଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରଟାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମେ କଣ କରିବ ନିଜେ ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ ମୋଡରେ ଥିବ ଗ୍ଲୋବାଲ ଆକ୍ସେସ ହେଇପାରୁଥିବ ତମେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ହୋଷ୍ଟ କଲେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ କଲ୍ଡ ଲୋକାଲ ହୋଷ୍ଟ
Sir, ଏଟା ଆମ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ଅଛି ଆମେ ସେଟା ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି କରୁଛୁ।
ଏଟା ସେ ଲୋକାଲ ହୋଷ୍ଟଟା ତା କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରଟା ନାଁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି କି ସର୍ଭର ତମ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କଣ ତାକୁ କୁହନ୍ତି ହୋମ ଟାକୁ ଲୋକାଲ ହୋଷ୍ଟ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି।
ଓହୋ ସେଥିରେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ହଉଛି sir ସବୁ
ସେଟା ଲୋକାଲ ହୋଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲି ଲୋକେଟେଡ database name or ସେମିତି ହୋଷ୍ଟ କରିକି ସେଠି ତମେ ଡାଟା ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି କରୁଛ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir। Okay sir, thank you sir. Okay sir.
sir ଏଥିର ୟୁଜର ମ୍ୟାନୁଆଲ ମିଳି ପାରିବ କି ୟୁଜର ମ୍ୟାନୁଆଲ sir ଇନଷ୍ଟଲ ର
ହଁ there is a 150 pages 170 pages like 300 the user manual is available you can download from the UNESCO site
डाउनलोड ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଥିଲି ଡାଉନଲୋଡ ହଉନି ସେ ସାଇଟ ରୁ
अच्छा ठीक ଅଛି ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ କରିକି ତମ ଏ ଯୋଉ WhatsApp ରେ ପଠେଇ ଦେବି
Okay ठीक ଅଛି। Okay sir।
ओके
sir software କପି ଅଛି ବୋଲେ ପଠେଇ ଦେଲେ ଠିକ ହେବ sir ସେ software ସଫ୍ଟ କପି ଅଛି ବୋଲେ ପଠେଇ ଦେଲେ ବି ଠିକ ହେବ sir ଗ୍ରୁପ ରେ
ମୁଁ ପଠେଇ ଦେବି ସଫ୍ଟ କପିଟା ପଠେଇ ଦେବି ଶୁଣ ତମେ ଗୋଟେ ତମ ଗ୍ରୁପ ରେ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ମେସେଜ ମୁଁ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କଲା ମାନେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ଭୁଲି ଯିବି send one message in group that I want a user manual. I will pass it. Hele? How come possible? How come any doubt?
Sir, data search ର ଟିକେ hints ଏରା ଟିକେ ବୁଝେ।
ଶୁଣ ଡାଟା ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଗୋଟେ ସର୍ଚିଂ ଅଛି ବୋର୍ଡରେ ସେ ଆଜିକାଲି କଣ ଅଛି ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ମାନେ there is a simple search advanced search you can put it this way if you go to any search engine or any wherever the data is there to searchable they are providing the two platform one from simple search just you have to write your keyword get the information if you go to advanced search so many options is there see all literature should be English the language also searchable or you want a URI wise that is also searchable or you want it that Boolean logical operator by 2 word 3 word that is also possible most important is your actually proximity search why proximity search has come because of the full text because so many databases are available and we are day by day and that whatever data is available in full text searching is not so easy that's why the proximity search has come because while the searching full text one paragraph your information is available how can I extract that paragraph so I will put a keyword Okay, I want the information of Earth in presence of Sun and Moon. जो paragraph रे तीनटा अंक थिबो सेटा को दबो. It's called proximity search. Okay, and usually that is a truncated search. Remember, while you're doing some searching, I have used here as a dollar because you see, Rangana. I don't know how the Ranganathan is entered by the database that manager, what that administrator. We made the database that I don't know. I know the Ranganathan SR or SR Ranganathan. Suppose the data is entered in Ranganathan SR. If we search SR Ranganathan, it will not search because entire field is indexed. How it will be indexed? The way is enter it. The data is if we enter Ranganathan, comma, the space SR, S dot, space R dot. Based on that only searchable. But it is a difficult to type it. That's what you are putting it. Surname is a better way to search it. I'm just putting the Ranganathan. Then I'm putting again that is truncated symbol. That is called a right-hand truncated symbol. And for this software, you're using the dollar. So it is taking care of the rest of the character and all Ranganathan it will show. And whenever SR will come, you have to select and get the information. Anybody else?
Library ପାଇଁ
हाँ
software କୋଉଟା?
देखो हेलो
हेलो
हाँ कुह
ହଁ ସାର୍ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ପାଇଁ ସବୁଠାରୁ ଭଲ ସଫ୍ଟୱେୟାରଟା କୋଉଟା? ଯୋଉ ସଫ୍ଟୱେୟାର
Library, हमारे library point if you ask for library, first you have to see your size of the library, whether is database is required or not. If it is small library, why want to spend money for software and it's minimum the way you are managing it. I'm suggesting. That is depending on the size of your library. At the silence place, don't put it. I'm replying something means you should keep silence. You see, first you have to consider the size of the library. Whether you need a software or not. When you need it, okay, software is required. So best way, then you have to go for the Koha. Koha is the best software everywhere practicing. Why? Because many libraries practicing, you'll get help from them.
Sir.
If something new will then who will going to help you? Nowadays, the network should be there to somebody help you. So if you go for Koha, then automatically many people will support you and your friend will support you.
Sir, actually, sir, Koha is a open source software. Sir, actually,
sir, just listen. Open source is freely available. So,
sir, we have no
custom made. Actually, the custom what is called customer customization. They're making it. Customer giving a service and they're charging. Some agencies there. They're charging for Koha. They're installing on behalf of you. Otherwise, it's open source. Because we don't have a knowledge for installation and customization. If somebody is there making it, that's the reason I asked. You see, you are not last, I think, many years people are working with Koha. Your many friends are there, they are acquainted. You have to take their help and do it.
Sir, actually, जब हमें सर इंस्टॉलेशन सीखी जाता तो किसी कॉस्ट दफे पड़ीबनी
नहीं installation और सीखिए से चुको आस्ते it is a time consuming. But it's a huge software, huge scope is there. For installation, manual is badly required. So you have to download the manual first. And step by step you develop it. And yourself, you will also source. And tomorrow I will go and say, okay, you are doing it. I think I asked many students, okay, you are working with the Koha. Can you support me? If somebody need it and that's a coordinator. Okay, that students asking, please help me. We are directing and that fellow is helping. So that way it's going on.
Yes, sir.
हाँ को पहले आपको क्वेश्चन अच्छे
Sir, what is a full text online course? Sir,
full text full
full
text
text full text online course means?
full text resources is there. Suppose let us say I have a journal. Have you seen any journal, magazine? Nowadays, journals are available or books are available in full text. That we call e-books, e-journal, because it is a full text is available. For that, you have to subscribe or you have to get the license. Then only you can access the journals. Instead of a physical format, that is your digital source is available. You can access it. That is coming under digital library.
Okay, thank you.
I think what about? I think you have an idea about digital library. What do you mean by digital library? And many students you ask digital library,
Sir,
they will
which
say that library automation.
which access to digitally on computer, on laptop or mobile?
Sir,
See,
sir,
you're right. Just let me reply.
sir, digital library
Library.
means मतलब automation library automation.
No, that is the main thing I want to say. You don't put automation as a digital library. If you put, suppose automation you made it, whether
Yes, sir.
that book is available with you, it's a fully digitized book is available with you. No, only catalog is available.
Yes, sir.
So that's why digital library automation is easier. Automation you can make it. Some nowadays, some sources, whatever instead of purchasing book and journal, there is a full text is available. And people will get a link of that in suppose your institution. Okay, some digital. It's a fully digitization is very, very impossible. Because most of the book digitization is not possible. Suppose you have a dictionary. I have to put it digitized. How it is possible?
No, sir, it is not possible.
It's not a possible. And not only possible, that a book that publisher not allowed to do it. Because entire thing, that book, whatever word is there in dictionary, it should be available on a database. From database only you can search it and get the information. Not like that book. But if I go for the textbook, and textbook is digitally available, at least I can read it. Or that database is not required. But for a dictionary, database is required because I will search the keyword and get the meaning. There is so many online dictionary also there. Actually, long back when you started the internet service, more later in 1996, I'm talking 90s, now 24 years back, newly the internet has come to our library or institution. What I did it, no, actually some dictionary is available, some newspaper is available. This I made some index pages. There I given the link, so people will just click it. Suppose Times of India they want, just they'll click the Times of India. They can read the Times of India. Suppose they want to call Google is that is Google not there. Yahoo is there. So put it, click Yahoo, you will get it. In that case, some indexing I made it, and that link I given it, and people have started using there initially. Some dictionary is there, some manual is there, some handbook also there, which link they have given, just they're accessing. But nowadays, so many resources. That's why we are making that is called, I think your project, what you are given here, that project, say, information gateway, subject gateway, knowledge gateway, we are creating because of resources are so hugely available, but it is not organized in internet. We are collecting all information, we are organizing. There is a message for all students. You remember, if people are, I think most of the, I think I am not remember, up to last batch, maybe July, 19 July batch. And the project we have undertaken and data collected, and it's batch wise I'm completing and providing their information. After that, after 19, maybe the 2020, if they are not, I don't know, we don't have this WhatsApp group. So my name also not there. I'm not able to know whether they are doing the project or not. If you are new students are there in attending this practical, if you are for a project work, just you contact me. Okay. Now coming, we are discussing with digital library. Whether the software, what you are showing it, is it possible for digital library? Yes, it is possible. And so digitally, whatever information you will keep, whatever database I have just designed, I am showing it, If you keep it PDF file, you can access a PDF file. If you Word file, you will keep it and store there. Link you will give it. That also it is accessible. If you any file you will keep it and link you will give it here in database. They are coming to here. I will show you. But here is not possible because time also not there, and I have to create the data. Suppose here you are able to see the this is the output of the here. Suppose this is a document you want to access here. Here another field will come. Click here. If you click here, if you mouse will bring it, yes, if you click it, that entire resources is available to download here. You can read. Suppose it's an image is there, that file you can access. If it is a PDF format is there, that PDF format also you can access. If the Excel file is there, that also you can access. Any format is there. If some video is there, if you click, that video will play. If audio is there, just you click it, that song will come also. That can be linked here. Suppose that database you can create it, and whatever you search, I want is for a particular song. Try for this song, click it, it will. So that is also possible using this database. That's why, actually, in the practical session, I used to show all these things. It is that limitation is a virtual machine. I am not able to copy fast. Copying is a problem. The machine not allow me to copy the data. Which a lot of that executive file I transfer as a JPG, then I convert to executive file, then I install it. At least you are able to see something. Okay, and this is interesting. Actually, whatever seen it, this is most how this thing you are displayed. This is because of display. If you see the format here, due to this only, this is the. I will show you control A. No, not able to select here. Okay, I think all selected. Right click, copy. I don't know I can bring you or not. Then I have to go to cancel this one. Then I have to in Word file. Word file. Okay, Word file. Word, what is your? So Word file is there. A Word file is there. Actually, my machine is very slow because of the virtual library. It is not able to open it. Okay. You're able to see it, then make it this one, just right click. No, it is come. I'm not able to. Print format. This I have selected. Control C. Then I'm bringing to Word file. Control. No, I'm not able to copy that one. I want to show it, but not able to copy. So this is also not able to see. This is I want to explain this command. What we have written it and how we are getting display. This is due to this and cap A, cap B, cap C. How this has come, but it's not possible. Okay. So this display command, like that, hundreds of command is there. So what way I think that manual I link to you. Just go through the manual. Everything will get. Okay. Then minimize this one. Pele. Okay. Then you ask some any question regarding this database or digital library.
ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ପର୍ସନାଲ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଗୋଟେ ପଚାରିବି।
ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ।
ସାର୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁରେ ସାର୍ କୋଉ ଟାଇପର ସବୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଆସେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁରେ?
ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁରେ ଶୁଣ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ ଅଛି, ମୁଁ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦିଏ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ କେମିତି ଫେସ୍, ହାଉ ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟଲି they face it, that I will pass on to you people. Okay, so you can share this one. When it's suppose we are attending an interview, what you should feel yourself so that you can answer that question or able to hear that once some instruction is there, I will pass on.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Okay.
Sir, media library विषय टिके कोंतु।
मीडिया लाइब्रेरी रे कोन आसीबा के कहला तब कोन मीडिया माने कोन बुझिछ? मीडिया माने वीडियो फाइल, न्यूज़पेपर डाटाबेस कोन यूज करे?
न्यूज़पेपर डाटाबेस विषय।
न्यूज़पेपर हे परिबो, स्टाकर वीडियो दरकार, मैप दरकार, इमेज दरकार, ये तो ऑर्गेनाइज करिवो ना।
यस सर।
आजकल ऑर्गेनाइज कोन करे? सब तो ऑर्गेनाइज गूगल रे की रही छी। जोटा जा पचारिबो सर्च करिक बाहर करिक दे दबो। ना कोन करिवो?
सर सपोज मीडिया लाइब्रेरी रे जब जॉब करिया को पड़िला कि इंटरव्यू पे फेस करिया पे गला तो सेठी तो किछि तो कहबा पड़ियो मीडिया लाइब्रेरी से जब कहबे तांकर कोन केमते सॉफ्टवेयर यूज होय को
नहीं से सुनो से सॉफ्टवेयर ताकर मीडिया लाइब्रेरी स्पेसिफिक जे कोनसी डाटाबेस रे रखि कि रिट्राइव करियो। व्हाट यू मीन बाय डाटाबेस रे तमे इंफॉर्मेशन तम आम जेते अबिका से डाटाबेस यूज करलो हमर रिलेटेड बुक रो रिलेटेड विषय वी स्टोर इट एंड logically say that's one. What is database? You can say okay, collection of data. No, it is no more collection of data. It's a logical and physical arrangement of data. तने कहछ हमर से बहिरो इन्फॉर्मेशन करा लॉजिकली हमें ताकू करी कि फिजिकली स्टोर करले तापर वी आर एक्सेसिंग ओ आ तमु भल लागला ना सर बुक रो डाटाबेस ता बढ़िया जा सर्च करले मिलियो छी एक्शन में मिलियो छी जे जो लिंक पाइलो छ बिकॉज़ इट इज लॉजिकली एंड फिजिकली अरेंजमेंट ना नहीं डाटाबेस सेमती ताकर को टाइप ऑफ डाटा ताकर अछि सेटा तो मिनियो जानिबो ताकर ଗୋଟେ न्यूज़ क्लिप थिबो ना न्यूज़ रा कि तापर ताकर से जो रेफरेंस टूल्स रा विभिन्न दरकार रेफर करथिबे डाटा रा एग्जैक्ट जन को 50 तो हटे से हम जानि नथिबो तबे से रखबे फास्ट टाइम रे रंगनाथ को जन्मदिन को पचे विज रंगनाथ तापर से डाटा पे तब को फिल कोन डाटा तो सर्च कर दे परिबो ताकर बैकग्राउंड विषय रे
सर एक्चुअली गूगल रे बहुत सारा डाटा आसुची सर कोटा माने एक्चुअल डाटा कलेक्ट करू सेटा केमती कोन आइडेंटिफाई करियो सेटा
सुनो गूगल हला बेस्ट वे माने हम जते रिसोर्सेस अछि गूगल इज प्रोवाइडिंग एवरीथिंग ताकू आमे कोन करबो आमे काहे कि तमे आमे जो इंफॉर्मेशन पोर्टल की सब्जेक्ट पोर्टल की आमे काहे कि सेटा करू सब फिल्टर करके ताकू करू जे ए इंफॉर्मेशन आर ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन सब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड से जो इंफॉर्मेशन गोटिए सब्जेक्ट गेटिए नॉलेज गेटिए होची बेस्ड ऑन द गूगल डाटा और अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेस सेठी ऑर्गेनाइज है कि रहिनी जे तो ऑर्गेनाइज रहिनी तमे जा गोटे जिंस सर्च करतो थाउजेंड्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन वी आर गेटिंग तमरे मो थाउजेंड्स रा मे आई कैन डिपेंड नो से जो पचारची सब ऑथेंटिक डाटा थिबो ऑथेंटिक डाटा थरो जनो सबटार मोस्ट what you call danger information is your com and business data गोटे जिनस लोक माने व्हाट एक्चुअली गोटे बिजनेसमैन और बिजनेस कंपनी सी गोटे जिनस करदेला चाइना प्रोडक्ट करके एडवर्टाइजमेंट एत स्ट्रांग अमुक समुक कर देदेव ତମେ 2200 କିଣିଥିବ ଘରେ ଦିଥର କାମ କରୁଥିବ ପଳେଇଯିବ। ତେଣୁ there is a communication person, ତେଣୁ ତମକୁ ଭାବିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ whether I can depend or not. Generally, that whatever data available in government sites, we are depending. How will you know the government site? Maybe it is .org, .edu, .university UNI, .ac, .in. So ସେମିତିଆ ଡାଟାକୁ ଆମେ .res.in ଏଇ ଏରାକୁ ଆମେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛୁ। ଯେତେବେଳେ କମର୍ସିଆଲ ହେଇଯାଉଛି 3-4 ଭାବୁଛୁ, okay, it is providing data, okay, it is a good information. You yourself only judging and putting data is present. If some company say, no, I don't know, maybe data are wrong. Therefore, filter ki data in many sources. Data को हमें देखो जे केबे अपडेट ହେଇଛି। देखो प्रति वेबसाइट को जाओ, से लिखितो अपडेट ऑन दिस डेट। हमें देखो तो ड्यूरेशन। अदरवाइज database जो कोन वेबसाइट क्रिएशन इज वेरी इजी। Updating is zero. Some website is created in 1990s. Today they are not updating. If you get the staff's name, you are not able to get it because that staff is that name which is available, that person is retired. So you have to see the update when this site is updated, whether it is regularly updating or not. So you have to think all these things, then only you have to collect the information. Or you have to depend on it. You have to analyze this site, whether it's dependable or not. Yourself will take a decision, but these are some parameters is there. Next.
Sir, there are so many library software are available like Koha, Lipsys, but name some databases. Which type of database?
Actually, what you are telling that software or packages. Lipsys is a package, Koha is a packages. So packages is the software. Actually, the software, what is the many database? That is the inbuilt database is there. Maybe some data like it's an inbuilt database. Maybe it is a SQL. Maybe it is a MySQL. Maybe it is the Excel database. It's all the base database one is there.
Where the data are stored?
Just one, Oracle. It's a two-part. One is called that backend, another is called frontend. Backend means it's some database is there. Frontend means it is an interaction and it's a collecting data from the database. It's a frontend. And both together, if you mix it, it's a packages coming like Koha, Lipsys, all are is a packages. And they're having both two things is there. Backend is there and frontend is there. And they're making a package for us.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the links we attend these classes through links, and this how these links are created.
See, a link is created means you see if you type google.com.
Yes.
Okay, it's a google.com. It will go to Yahoo.
No, sir. This is Google.
Why? Why it is not going to Yahoo? Why it is going to google.com?
Maybe this
Google. But there is no second google.com. Other is not able to host this. That name itself is a, you see, background that is IP address that is there. That is also unique IP address.
Yes, sir. IP address is there.
It's a unique IP address. No second source is available with that IP address. That is the main. Google that is called your DNS registration. What is DNS? That is domain name server, DNS registration. What is the link you are giving it? It is URL. Remember that. URL. What is the full form of URL?
Sir, universal.
Universal or uniform? What you are thinking to say?
Universal resource locator.
That means that universal locator means it's a very specific.
Yes, sir.
Very specific. So whatever link is sending to you, that is URL. That is means wherever I am there, or I want to Google Meet, I am there only. I am sitting. That link I am sending to you. That's why you are able to access me.
So this link is only yours. And
No. Timing. Actually, that is depending on time and date. Particular that date, that time I am there. Then my location I am sending to you. That's why you are able to link it.
Sir, further we can't use that link again.
No, may not be. May not be. Again, I have to ask for the time and to host it. If I host, then only you will get it. That is you call
But
Zoom
in
meeting.
Zoom,
I have
sir, in Zoom
ah,
classes, there are IDs and this particular ID is used regularly. That's why.
no, that is regularly of that machine. That is regular of that machine is there. Suppose that's why I am able to create that link. Why not you? Because in my machine, that a copy I have, or our machine, this thing they have copied and sent, so that everybody can access. You cannot make a link. You have to you send a link of your thing. Then the people can access you. Then talking
But
about
in this way, we, sir, in this way, we also use our data
no,
for
no, no,
our
no.
purposes.
Actually, somebody is asking that host. This link is given by the host. We are the host. The link we given. Suppose you give your link. That means you are the host. We will connect you.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, about Soul software, sir. SOU Soul software.
You see, Soul, they made it, it is started in well, but there is a coordination in not there with universities. This is actually implement, it has developed this Soul software. I was working with Soul quite long back, and that is recommending for all universities. But these people, university itself cannot support it. Forget about others. Because they are searching for the service and this development, time to time development. Why time to time development is required? Because of our OS. Our OS is changing. Windows 95 was there, now it's Windows 10 later on. So something is supported 95, now Windows 10 also not supporting. For that, actually service is required. So that's why Koha open source, step by step, the service is there. So slowly we are depending on the Koha. A soul that they once only they are developing, but not compatible with all machines. That is the reason it's not popular. Otherwise, soul is a very good software, but it is because of the service aspect is poor, so nobody is dependent.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, cyber duck ବିଷୟରେ ଟିକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
Cyber duck କ'ଣ?
सर डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी रे मीडिया लाइन रे साइबर डक्ट यूज करछन सेटा से माने कोन डाटा
देखो just there are a number of sites is there. It's a very difficult. I'm not come across it. So frankly, I'm not come across it. Suppose someday I will come across it better. But how will you know it? You go to that site, then read the about. There is a about is there. So automatically you know what is their coverage and what they are doing it about. There is all these sites on page you will get about. Just you read the about, then you will be able to know it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, what is a distributed database system?
What is the other system? One is distributed. The other is?
Database is an electronic system. So
No. Distribution is one actually architect. While designing database, distribution system is, I think, so many functions. I'm not sure, but you have to check it like this. Let's say different. While designing and database, you have to different components are there. So you have to integrate all these things so that you're actually that what you call that the architect is so it's at a time will not open so many files, so many library. So whenever is required, you can collect because the link is available to your different component, so you can access it. It's distributed. Common function is distributed. Other service is distributed. Whenever data is required, you can call it. Just you go through it. The document is nicely, but I have not come. It is there. I had it, but what exactly I don't know.
sir, it is a logical database.
See, everything actually I called it's a logical and physical arrangement of data. I call database. So all things logical is everywhere is logic is there. Everywhere is without logic. How will prepare a database? You tell me. Suppose the system is not knowing you. Suppose let us say your name is divided into two parts. Your first name is and surname is there. Suppose type your surname, will put your first name, and your first name they will put your surname. Typing, system will not recognize. System will recognize whatever this particular field data is there, you will take it there. So that's why it is called logical. Suppose your first name, last name, you put it while the data entry, they will not put it. So it's system will take everything, whatever available in surname, these are the surname. Whatever data is available in first name, that's your first name. Maybe data is wrong. But this problem is there. Everywhere you will get it. But data entry people, they'll not bother it. What is surname, first name? They'll put the name. All the name also first name now. If you have the data entry, that's why you have to check it. As a professional, you have to check the data, how this data entry people are doing it. So you have to check it. Otherwise, your entire name they'll put in your first name. So searching will be a problem. Why you are putting that surname and the first name? The surname is searching will be easier. Suppose I don't know the name of a certain person. His surname I remember. If I put it Das, so many authorities will show it. Okay, I remember one Das. I can select it and search it. It is helpful for this. Yes, all the logical arrangement.
Okay. So is there something difference between data retrieval and information retrieval?
Definitely. So now knowledge retrieval. If the data is different, information is different. When you get in retrieval, if you get data, that is data retrieval. If you're searching, if you get information, that is information retrieval. And if you searching, you will get a document, that is document retrieval. Next question. Okay. Then I'll talk about this the database not there that you have to listen. You see, why we are going for library automation or database is required. Suppose manually, just remember, when you manually, if you see, first you will receive the books or the document or it's a library resources you are receiving. So definitely first step is you have to access a number you are giving it or accessing all the document. There is a register is there, you are entering. Yeah, after that, it is going to technical session. Logically, you see, technical session. In technical session, then if somebody is doing the classification number, they are giving it. And based on the classification number, somebody is doing creating the classification cataloging card. Once this card is over, then the book is available for issue and return. This is a major job. Then it's a service one by one is going on. See, manually what you have done, you are preparing the accession register. Whatever data is available accession register, again you are putting in the catalog card. And catalog card, again if you return the book, return other thing, everything you are writing there. Then username is writing, that is the date of return you are writing, because fine also want to calculation, if fine at all is there. So like that his job is going on. And it's a repeatable job. Suppose let us say your library data is available on database. So the first entry of book, you were starting from your proposal. Database you are able to, suppose somebody is given the indent, I wanted this book. So that indent you are entering in your database. So after that committee is approved, you have placed the order. So whatever data is available, based on that you have to prepare the order. That your publisher or other address also available in database. Once book is received, everything is there. So you have to only put the accession number and new and classification number, and call number. If you put it all these things, then your book is available in the library. You know, necessary to write the type and author and other thing, because before order you are placing everything in the database, so all the data is available. So just you repeat it and you are creating a book and it's available for the issue and return. User register, you are all put user registered user, and there you are whatever you are there, you are putting the okay that Net has gone unable to see. Okay, now you are able to hear me because in the meantime.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So that is possible. Then most of the repeatable job it is stopped in library automation. Everything once is. So now I am seeing one database I created for you. This database will create whatever database is now I created in front of you by using Unisys. Same database you can use for the accession register. Same database you can use for the catalog. Same database you can use for your issue and return. So I think time is there. So I can, if you want, I can add how much time is there. I think 30 minutes. I will show you how can that book will be issue and return is possible. Shall I write it and show you?
Hello, sir. Sir, can we create database through Excel?
That is Excel is possible, but so who will do the micro program? That programming, okay, filter is possible, yeah, possible. You see, if you are using the Excel and the backend and the front end, if you have a designer and you are a software developer, you can use it and do it. Backend means Excel, you will put all your data, front end using the Visual Basic or this .NET. That front end you will create it, you are integrated it, and you will make a package as a developer.
Otherwise, sir, in which database it is possible completely?
No, database government, you see, what is your basic knowledge? Your basic knowledge is your library science or information science?
Yes, sir.
Can you develop a software? You cannot expertise in all
No,
that.
sir.
That is the reason why should we think it? You have to depend on the package. Depend on the package.
In which?
Whether it is Koha
So the
or it is
most app.
Tell me.
Hello. Sir, which
I'm hearing.
package is affordable? Means within what should I say?
Budget technically. There is
Yes,
two things. One is budget.
In less budget.
Another is technology, knowledge.
Technology, sir, no. In a limited budget, how can we make a database, new database?
See, limited knowledge means suppose first you think which library you are working. Suppose you are an industry library or a school library, and school not able to afford it, then you not necessarily go for any database, anything. Simple internet, you have to use it and provide the service.
Through internet? How, sir?
Suppose what the school they want some subject information, subject they want some mini dictionary, they want some handbook, they want some map, everything is available on internet. Storybook also available. Digitally you can download it without any money also you can design the library and the school people will happy. If you are working in a school, you have to think it that Google is your resources. That you have to organize and give the information. Only computer is required and little bit knowledge is required. How to search Google, how to download, because some people are not knowing how to download from the YouTube.
Okay, sir.
That is also there. Means that little bit knowledgeable is required because many people are not knowing how to download from the YouTube.
Yes, sir.
That you can manage it. So everything is dependent on you because okay. But a class rachi. Okay. Hi. Any question? Hello. Not able to hear you. Please.
So you show us how to create a database, sir.
That I have shown it. Now I think I will add some of the field there and I created that book will be issued. Okay, that I will
So
show you.
which database is this?
This is a Unisys. Unisys, that is a UNESCO database. UNESCO has developed a database for a library and information service, which is not only it is for documentation purpose. They are provided that you are using. That you are using. I will show you some of the things. You are able to see this screen. Okay. First, I think I have to what I think I have to add it. If we go to this first edit, here I have to add field definition table where this data is there. Here I have to put 60. I put this 60. 60 this here. Here is a borrower's name. I put a borrower's name. I think some sound is coming, please. It's a alphanumeric. And I have to put 70. 70. It's a due date. Two data I am putting it here. And due date is a, let us say, numeric. Numeric and pattern should be there. So I put it here as a pattern here. Date is there, due date is a pattern. How will you put it? I want to put it like that. That is a due date is a 9/9. Oh, it's not working. Pattern. Numeric. No, I think pattern. Pattern. X hyphen. It's a numeric is coming in. That is a NN hyphen NN hyphen NNNN. This means what? Date want to put it. Suppose today is what is the date? It's the 28. So I have to put 28 hyphen 01 hyphen 2021. This is the format I given. That is it. I think it's a 9. Why 9 is not coming? I think it's a numeric. Alphabetic means A. Alphanumeric means it is a X. That is also possible. So alphanumeric, put it alphanumeric. I am putting that XX minus XX add it. Okay, this is a format I put it. Now putting it okay. So that is a yes. Modified. Okay. Then I have to modify the second one. That is edit. This parameter data into workstation. Then this I have to forward it here. Then this I have to select it and forward it here. Then okay. Yes. It has come. Then I have to modify the third one. It is the print format. Here I have to make last I have to go there. End up with this one, this is before hash sign here. I have to make it a slash next line, just a slash, then double quote, borrower's name. Borrower's name. And name, space, colon, borrower's name. That is a B60. B60. Next line, due date. due date, then I have to put the space colon date, then B70 I'm calling, hash sign is there afterwards, then I can save it, save, okay, then I have to go to for fourth one, that is field selection table. Here I have to pick new means I have to call this last one is that is a borrow's name, it is a one line indexation is there, then I here to call is that is a V60 borrow's name, add it, then another I have to make the new, and due date I want to show it, and it should be index due date. So due date is the entire field. So it is a 0, this one is there, 0. Then to bring that one is V70. Then I have to add it here. So once you add, that is V70, it is there, the C 6070 is there. Now to make it to okay, save it. Once you save, name it to okay, I'll come out. Suppose let's just say one book, suppose let us say first one, let us say this MFN number 1, 1 minute, just listen. Okay. I want to issue one book that is 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to issue it. 1, 3, 4, execute, display. This I want to issue it. Okay. What I have to do? That is edit. There is a data entry there. Data entry 1, 2, 3, 4 has come. But here is a borrow's name I have to call. You see here the borrow's name somewhere is there, borrow's name has come. Then here also you add the borrow's name, then due date. So due date is there, borrow's name. First I have to write the borrow's name. Let us say this book is issued to Mishra, yes space K. Okay. What is your due date? So due date is we are putting pattern, the alphanumeric. So numeric you put in. It's your due date. Maybe that is 12th. I put in hyphen. I put it. Remember hyphen. Sorry. 12. Not coming. 12 hyphen February hyphen 2012, sorry, 2011, 2021 due date. So date has come, save, the book is issued. Okay, the book is issued. So how will you know book is issued? Once you entering, then you have to IF updated. It's okay. Completed. Just see whether his name is coming or not. SK Mishra is issued a dictionary. SK Mishra somewhere is there. Then I have to type it S. Mishra. Mishra SK I put it. Mishra M. SK Mishra is there available here. Okay. It's available here, Mishra. Just double click here. It will come here. Then execute, display. You see. But why this has not come? Mishra has come, but this information has not come. Keyword has come, but his name is not appearing here. You see, his name is not appearing here. As classification means notation has come, his name supposed to comment. If I go to, okay, well, checking just says, 1 minute. This is I think this one is saved. This is saved. Close it. I'm checking. We can browse. Let's say browse is possible. No. 1, 2, 3, 5. Then execute, display. 1, 2, 3, 4 issued it. 1, 2, 3, 4 issued. Execute, display. But his name has not come. That means something wrong with print format. The name is supposed to appear because he issued it. So I'm go to edit, then print format. What I have to make here, just see Boros name. It is all right. It's a second. It is has a not a meaning. I am putting here this is a comma. And then Boros name supposed to come. Then yes, it's all right. B60. Next is due date. Here I did a mistake. Due date. Here I put a double quote. And here double quote will be end. There is a comma. Then I have to save it. Save it. Okay. 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 Then look at all. Look at. Okay. Boros name has come. Just see. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. The book is issued. The Boros name is Mishra SK. Got it? And due date is 12th February 2021. The book is issued. The strategy somebody said the book is issued. Okay. Now understood. Means that a book, whatever is available in library, now it is circulation. We have brought to circulation, and the book is issued. We call charge discharge. Okay. Now this is also possible, but you see, so many steps is involved, and it's you don't have practice. If you practice, you will remember. So that manual is must. Without manual, I say last year I practiced. After 1 year, I am doing it. But every year I am doing it, just able to remember. But it is but if you know it, then it is simple. The step is not only simple, it's a very, very logical also. Anything you want to ask this Unisys software? Baba, ये जो CDS is ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା? It's a good package.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ଯଦି ତମେ ସେ ଯେ ଜାଣିପାରିବ ଯଦି ସେ ଯୋ ତାର କମାଣ୍ଡର ଜାଣିପାରିବ it is easier and user friendly ଯେ ଡିସପ୍ଲେ କରୁଛୁ ତାପରେ ଥରେ କଣ ହେଲା suppose one link file you given ଏ database ରେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ link କରିଦେଲି କଣ link କରିଦେଲି ଗୋଟେ PDF file link କରିଦେଲି it is full text is available I link a full PDF file one ebooks is there that PDF file में link କରିଦେଲି ସେ link ଟାକୁ ଖୋଲିବା ପାଇଁ there is one command is there that is called open file. Open file. If you put it that open file, then only if you click it, it will open. Se command jeti tame mane rakhibo ki seti manually न पढ़िबो se open file ta is a single word. Open file is a single word, and it will open only the attachment. Whatever attachment file will link it will open it.
Sir, actually, good one doubt ଅଛି sir.
हाँ, को.
सर एक्चुअली जदि मु किसी रिसर्च करली रिसर्च करिवार जो डाटा मते मिलिला मु जदि चाहबी गोटे बुक प्रिंट करिया पई ताले मते कोन करिया पड़िबो
माने बुक प्रिंट करिया पई मु बुझी परने बुक प्रिंट करिया पई माने रिसर्च कला रिपोर्ट
डाटा कलेक्ट करली सर से डाटा को मु चाहबी गोटे बुक गोटे प्रिंट करिकी बाहरे पब्लिश करिया पई
बाहरे पब्लिश करिया पई हेले सेठी डाटाबेस दरकार नै केना आप सिंपल हमरो वर्ड अछि वर्ड ताकू तमे तमरो वाला कोन पेज सेटअप आ पेज लेआउट ला मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट पेज लेआउट इंपोर्टेंट कोन को साइज रो बुक करियो हमें कोन कहछि बाय डिफॉल्ट A4 कर दोछे କିନ୍ତୁ ବହିଟା ଫର୍ମାଟ ଦେଖିବ A4 ଟା ନଥିବ ତାର ଯୋଉ ସାଇଜ ଥିବ ସେଇ ସାଇଜ କୁ କନଭର୍ଟ କରିବ କନଭର୍ଟ କରି you have to define remember you have to define just even page and odd page even page odd page ର margin ହେଲା different କାହିଁକିନା ତା ଆଗ ପଛ ତ ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ ହୁଏ so margin will be accordingly distributed ତାପରେ ବେଳେ ବେଳେ କଣ ଅଛି ଆମେ କଣ ଅଛି ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ପେଜ ର ଯୋଉ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟ ପେଜ ପରେ ଅଡ୍ ପେଜ କୁ ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ଗ୍ୟାପ୍ ଛାଡୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ରୁ ତେଣୁ ଦିଶା ଫାଇନ୍ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ସୋ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ ହଁ କୁହ
सर रिसर्च रिपोर्ट को किसी अप्रूवल दरकार कि किसी बुक प्रिंट करिया पूर्व किसी अप्रूवल दरकार कि
बही करिया पे अप्रूवल दरकार नहीं जे बट वन शुड ए पब्लिशर किए तमे पब्लिशर किए हबो तमे गोटे पब्लिशिंग एजेंसी न देले बही किन बिक्री करबो तमे निजे कहू पब्लिशर हेबी तमे निजे पैसा खर्च करिवो निजे तम रिपोर्ट को बही करके बिक्री कर परिवो इट्स ऑल राइट यू आर द पब्लिशर पब्लिशर हेले कोन सेमिति हे जीवो गोटे बहीटा को पब्लिश करि गले तार अछि फॉर्मेट अछि तार तमे यू गेट ए आईएसबीएन नंबर तमे आईएसबीएन की ये अछि ताठरो तमे आईएसबीएन नंबर नबो आईएसबीएन को पब्लिश कला माने तमे केतटा कॉपी सब विभिन्न लाइब्रेरी रे मिनिमम 5टा लाइब्रेरी रे कॉपी दबो then it is officially a published because you got a ISBN number and you yourself you are the publisher you are the writer.
Okay sir.
Sir, what is the citation?
Citation है ना सब इसी जितना हमें रिपोर्ट लिखुचे वही लिखुचे सब तो हम ब्रेन ने नहीं लिखी दूचे somewhere you are referring some document तेणु कोटे आइडिया थिबो ताठर नेलु किछि ताठर किछि नेलु ताठा किछि नेलु then you have compiled it and projected से समय रे you have to cite where you have collected ideas so there's you have to cite their name their resources where it is available this document that you have to cite it that will come as your reference I think whether it's a reference or bibliographical reference all are same so that's a particular format you have to cite it once you cite it that is whatever document is there based on these ideas of this citation you have created similarly future somebody want to put your idea so you will cite your name in that way citation will be received and that quality of a journal or quality of a magazine or quality of a publication will be improved suppose in particular document or particular article referred by thousands of people and some article cited by only few so naturally if you give it a maximum citation of your article that is the best one and it is a quality we call it a qualitative document or a quality publication that's why citation is the most important.
Yes, sir.
पिले सब लिखी देछ तमे जो your name and roll number is written
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, it's a last class and practical within four subject 4 classes yeah? It's about 2 hours, 8 hours we took it. But instead of 8 hours, you see online, maybe some time was for connecting other thing, not a problem. Otherwise, day by day, because some I have to acquainted with this, and I also acquainted with this kind of environment. So they say, but quality, if you think it is increasing, first day, second day, third day, today, it is increasing. So I think futures will meet also in online, not have any problem. So at least some interaction we can make it. And you have at present, you have a WhatsApp group. I think WhatsApp group is the most important one. And if you have a network, your friend circle is there, it's difficult to do alone anything. So if you have a WhatsApp group, make it live and share your professional information. As a professional information should be available and try to help each other. If you try to help each other means there is a very good network and you do not have any problem. Don't try to hide, okay, if I tell So other will get good mark, nobody will give that. You have to stop. Okay. So just say whatever you know, you share it. Whatever others you should share it. In that way, you keep it. And the WhatsApp group, you have to continue. As long as your job is there, you have to continue with your friends. And the WhatsApp group, any problem, professional problem, will you receive it, and just you have to share with them. And sometimes if you get any professional problem or interaction or service from us also, we are going to help you also. Okay. So now we are closing. So we'll stop it. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I stopped. So